Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. In today's video, we're diving into how to use Peachtree accounting software in 2025, a full beginner-friendly guide for small businesses and entrepreneurs looking to manage finances more efficiently. Let's get into it. Once you've installed Peachtree on your computer, go ahead and launch it. On the welcome screen, choose Set up a new company. You'll be guided through a setup wizard. Here, you'll enter the basic details like your business name, addresses, fiscal year start date, and type of business. If you're unsure, you can pick a similar industry template. After the company is created, you will land on the main dashboard. From here, navigate through modules like customers and sales, vendors and purchases, inventory, and general ledger. Each one helps you control different parts of your account. To add a new customer, go to Customers, Customers and Prospectus. Then click New Customer. Fill in their contact info, set payment terms, and save. You will do the same for vendors under the Vendors module. To create an invoice, go to Tasks, Sales or Invoice, select your customer, choose the product or service, and hit Save. You can print or email it directly from Peachtree. Now let's talk about transactions. You can record expenses under Payments and incoming payments under Receive Money. Each entry automatically updates your lenders, so make sure to keep your categories accurate. For reports, click on Reports and Forms. From here, you can generate income statements, balance sheets, and tax summaries. These are especially useful at the end of the month or fiscal year. And don't forget to backup your data regularly using File Backup, Peachtree. Let's save your restore point in case anything goes wrong. And that's for your full walkthrough. Peachtree is powerful once you get the hang of it. Just take it one module at a time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave any question below, and subscribe for more software tutorials and business tools. Catch you in the next one.